Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, let me put this up on the map. This is a furniture store, and on the map you can see it's in Taipa, and there's a bridge right there as well, so it's like right at the base. A lot of people won't know anything about this place because it's new. It opens up right about now. They're all getting all set up. So anyways, it's a furniture store. You can see it behind me. Oh, and I'm gonna show you the view right there too. This is amazing because it overlooks the bridge, the one that was in the map. There it is right there. It's a beauty. It's definitely a beauty. So anyways, I'm gonna be walking around with my daughter. So you're gonna hear her voice, and she's kind of translating for me because she knows Chinese, and I am pretty weak in Chinese, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that. But nonetheless, new place in Macau. Check it out through my camera. Pew. Okay, today we have a new place, and I'm with my daughter.
Yep.
And we are checking out this place. So we'll show you what it is from the outside as well. But we're gonna walk down this corridor and we'll tell you all about it. So when did they say that this place opens?
They said that this place opens at September 8th.
And so they have all of these things like this, and they'll have a parking garage out here. And then you'll walk in and they have, and I guess that designer is from Italy, right? Mm-hmm. So that one is, oh yeah, actually it says Milano. So Milano is actually part of Italy. So, thank you.
She said that this whole entire floor is full of couches.
Oh, it's all, so this is going to be all couches and sofas.
Yep, this whole entire floor. Second floor is like electronics or something.
The second floor is electronics up there.
She said, I think she said something.
Well, let's walk. So first floor is furniture and the second floor is electronics. So this is kind of a new building. Oh, okay. Hello. Another Italian one. Venetian. Ah. So they have all furniture. Wow. Looks cool. Thank you. So, let's see what else they got. So it looks like even though it opens in September, it looks like they're ready up earlier. Hello. Hello. Ni hao. So, okay. Hello, how are you? Also Italy as well?
Yes, yes.
Oh. So all designers?
Yeah.
Oh. And it opens in September? September? Pretty cool. So, thank you. Shishi. Hello. So, it's like we just showing off a new place it's like 2 months beforehand, so I don't know why there's people here already, but it looks like this looks like a used car. Oh, okay, so here we go. This is the outside of the building, and then just so that you guys can kind of see, this is the bridge to the Macau side. There's the bridge. That is the waterfront, and that's all of Taipa. And then this just kind of goes down towards the airport. The airport is directly down that way. So pretty cool. We're just checking it out with my daughter. So we're just going to share with you this place. And it's going to be a new mall, and there's even a parking setup for it as well. Should we go on inside? Let's do it. Oh, that way. And in we go. That does, it feels great. I like that air conditioning. So I suppose they'll be here, somebody will be here soon enough. Okay, so that was the first floor, and this is the second floor. And it looks like we have some furniture here, and there might be some electronics.
I think this is still the first floor.
I kind of think so too.
Oh, it does say
It says what? Oh, it says ground floor, so this is all considered the same. Yeah, let's try it out.
This idea is huge.
Okay, we're gonna try one, and then we're gonna try two.
Yeah. This is a pretty big.
Yeah, this is huge. I guess because you have to move furniture, probably.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what this floor is all about. Toto coming soon. Oh, okay, toilets. So I think that direction is toilets. And this one looks like it's, let's find out. So there's a word for electronics there. I think maybe.
How did she say sooner?
Oh,
Sooner.
is that like appliances? Like bathroom appliances, showers?
Probably. But it's still,
Yeah. Yeah, sounds like maybe appliances, I think. But could mean. So it looks like basically Italian designers. Although this one looks maybe French. Gigi. Oh, grand opening. So it's grand opening. Ah, thank you, Gigi. So let me see. Oh, so this is a designer. Healthy sleep resources. So it looks like they have all these designer places. Rustanic. So, hello.
Hi.
So it looks beds. So we had couches, beds, appliances, toilets. And I guess it's like really designers from Europe and Italy. Hello, Shishi. That one looks kind of cool. She said we can just come inside and take a look, so let's just kind of see. So you have some kind of interesting beds because of the design. It's all new.
She said you can like, it's normally like this, but then you can also make it like straight.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, with a remote control. Okay, wow.
Oh. That's so crazy.
That's really nice. I can move it up. So you can watch TV probably from bed. Maybe.
Well, these are all the different kind of things you can do.
Oh, okay, yeah. So this one's kind of sitting up. So all the different things you can do. Reading. Very cool. So this is this one, and it's at the new mall. So thank you. So we'll keep on walking. So there's some interesting stuff around here. It's kind of a cool design. Okay, they're still setting up more stuff. Maybe we'll go up to 3. Or 2. So we're on 1 G, 1, and now 2 would be next. So there's the electronics things like doors. Actually, these doors are kind of good because these ones you can lock without a key. So it's actually better. Here's one with a pad.
Oh yeah.
And the prices are actually not too bad. So it's like 4,000 mop. This one, big lock.
Big rock. No worries. Got mine there. Oh, safe.
Oh, it's a safe. Oh, okay.
But it smells like
Oh, that's actually good. And then you can actually to secure it. Huh. That's pretty cool.
Nice.
Oh. Let's see what else there is. Shishi. There's the electronic right there. Electric. I think these are sensors. Oh no, they're just plugs. I thought they might be sensors where they go on and off because of the way it says it. It's LG. Okay. So we're on 1 and we'll head up to 2. And we are in Macau.
Yep. That kind of looks like that on TikTok.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that some new style or something?
Yeah.
Nice. Run number 2. We're in Skyworth, Highlands, Eco Water, and so I think this is all dehumidifiers as well. 21,000 mom. I think this is maybe to purify water. Generations. Well, let's go over here. So I think what we're gonna do is maybe we'll end our video at this view. And that's the view right there, which is amazing. Actually, I could see people coming up here later and eating here to be able to watch this view. Wow. Wow. It's amazing. So pretty cool. So I think what we're gonna do, so this is gonna be a brand new building, and we're kind of giving you a little taste. And it looks like there's also some tea shop and some other rooms in here too. Maybe we'll just walk into them real quick. Huh. So this whole area has this looks like incense and different things. So Acabus. So I guess this is all set up for some really nice dining as well, so they can bring clients here and talk about furniture and sales. Parts of China. Wow. So this would probably be a nice business center for people to do business and move product between Macau and China and Italy and Europe and such. Some nice designs in here too. Oh. Okay, well, on that note, we'll end our video. So we just checked out another part of Macau for you. So you don't have to, but now you have to because now you saw it.
Yep. Bye.